Welcome to Luxury Meets Nature. Today, we're diving into the world of modern rustic interiors, where luxury and nature come together to create a stunning, cozy home. We'll show you how to blend natural materials, elegant design, and inviting backyard retreats to craft the perfect space for relaxation and connection with nature. If you're ready to elevate your home with rustic charm and modern elegance, keep watching. Modern rustic interiors start with a deep connection to nature, and the best way to achieve this is by using natural materials throughout your space. Wood, stone, and metal are essential elements in this style, bringing an organic feel to your home. Opt for reclaimed wood furniture, exposed wooden beams, or stone walls that create a warm, rustic foundation. The raw beauty of these materials contrasts beautifully with sleek modern elements, making the space both luxurious and grounded in nature. Use earthy, neutral tones to create a calming atmosphere, while large windows invite natural light and connect your indoor space to the outdoors. Complement minimalist furniture with cozy, handcrafted elements to add warmth and character. Extend the rustic charm to your backyard by creating a relaxing retreat with comfortable seating, a fire pit, and natural landscaping. This seamless blend of luxury and nature offers a beautiful, tranquil space for you to unwind and enjoy. Creating a seamless connection between your modern rustic interior and outdoor retreat begins with using natural materials like wood, stone, and metal throughout both spaces. Large glass doors or expansive windows can blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing for a continuous flow of light and air. Inside, opt for earthy tones and cozy textures, such as wool throws and soft rugs, to bring warmth and comfort to the space. This cohesive approach creates a tranquil and luxurious environment where indoor comfort seamlessly meets outdoor relaxation. Embrace the beauty of nature with style by incorporating modern rustic elements that combine organic materials like wood and stone with sleek, minimalist design. Create a calming interior using earthy tones and soft, cozy textures, bringing a warm and inviting atmosphere to your home. Large windows or glass doors can blur the lines between indoor spaces and luxurious backyard escapes, filling your home with natural light and connecting it to the outdoors. Design your backyard as an extension of your rustic interior, featuring comfortable seating, natural landscaping, and a fire pit for year-round enjoyment. This blend of style and nature creates a tranquil, luxurious retreat where you can relax and recharge in comfort. Luxury living outdoors blends seamlessly with modern rustic interior design by using natural materials like wood, stone, and metal to create a cohesive flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large windows and sliding doors invite natural light and provide easy access to a stylish backyard retreat, perfect for relaxation. Inside, earthy tones and soft, cozy textures, such as wool and linen, offer warmth and comfort while maintaining a sophisticated, rustic aesthetic. For your backyard retreat, design a comfortable outdoor seating area with plush cushions, a fire pit, and natural elements like wooden decks or stone paths. Adding touches of greenery and soft lighting can enhance the ambience, making the space feel like a luxurious extension of your home. This combination of rustic charm and modern elegance creates a perfect balance of comfort and style for outdoor luxury living. Your backyard retreat should be as comfortable and stylish as your indoor space. Create a cozy outdoor seating area with plush cushions, wooden furniture, and soft lighting from lanterns or string lights. Add a fire pit or outdoor fireplace to create warmth and ambience, making the space usable year-round. This outdoor retreat serves as an extension of your modern rustic interior, offering a luxurious place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the tranquility of nature. Soft, earthy tones such as browns, beiges, and muted greens bring a calming atmosphere, while cozy textures like wool blankets and linen cushions add warmth and comfort. Large windows are essential for connecting the indoors to the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood the room and offering beautiful views of the surrounding environment. To add a cozy backyard twist, design an inviting outdoor retreat with rustic furniture, plush seating, and natural elements like a fire pit and stone paths. This combination of rustic elegance indoors and a cozy, nature-inspired backyard creates a harmonious balance between comfort and style. Luxury meets rustic charm by blending refined design with natural, earthy materials to create beautiful interiors that feel both elegant and inviting. Earthy tones such as deep browns, muted greens, and soft neutrals evoke a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. Extend the rustic charm outdoors by creating a cozy backyard retreat with comfortable seating, natural wood elements, and a fire pit for year-round comfort. Soft lighting, like lanterns or string lights, adds a touch of luxury, making the space feel intimate and serene. This harmonious blend of luxury and rustic charm creates a perfect haven for ultimate relaxation, both indoors and out. Modern rustic interior design creates a stylish yet cozy ambience by blending luxurious touches with natural, organic materials. Earthy tones and rich textures, such as reclaimed wood, stone, and soft fabrics, add warmth and character, grounding the space in nature. This balance of luxury and nature creates a harmonious sanctuary where style and comfort meet effortlessly. By combining modern elegance with the organic beauty of nature, you can create a stunning modern rustic interior that is both luxurious and cozy. Natural materials, earthy tones, and a seamless connection to outdoor spaces bring a warm, inviting atmosphere to your home. With cozy textures, handcrafted decor, and thoughtful design, your home will feel like a retreat where nature meets luxury. Whether you're enjoying the comfort of your living room or relaxing in your backyard oasis, these modern rustic ideas will help you embrace the beauty and serenity of nature every day. That's it for today's journey into modern rustic interiors with cozy backyard retreats. We hope these ideas inspire you to blend luxury and nature in your own home, creating spaces that are both beautiful and inviting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which design tip was your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.